today, I dressed this shirt because today, I'll tell you the story of dogs with drooping ears. Of course, we always talk about ancient history. If we include Slugs and Saluki, which are the oldest dogs to have drooping ears, also represented is in Mesopotamia, who, in Egypt, respectively, many thousands of years ago, have the first depictions of dog, hounds of maw, or lartais, represented in that Roman age. Let me give you just a few examples, such as a figurine of a hound very similar to a beagle, and another that remembers a Weimaraner or a bloodhound. I wrote of these dogs in my book, Roma Canis Mundi, so if you are interested to the ancient history of dogs of this type, you know what to read.